Sweet potato. I don't know, I think I hear people inside.
Okay, so day 3, Big Island. We are out here early. We are doing one of our friend's tours today. He owns a tour company out here, so we are taking a tour and doing a lot. This is going to be a big day. Or doing.
Yeah, it's a long tour, I think.
Yeah.
Valley tour, let's go. Alligators, yeah, for sure.
Heading down to the Black Sand Beach in Waipio Valley.
We're leading the pack. Don't know where we're going, but yeah, let's do it. The weather's decent.
Always eating.
This tour is legit. We just had lunch and we got malasadas for dessert. So good. Texas malasada, so good. Now we're at WATERFALLs. We're like in nap mode though. We're like so tired.
I fell asleep in the van.
So we're gonna head down to WATERFALLs.
Get out.
We had a big lunch. It made us super tired.
It's just a long day.
Not a long day.
was nice to be like taken care of for once though, because
Yeah.
the first 2
tour
days
is
we were
awesome.
here, it was just us going, and now we have a driver who tells us everything and drives everywhere. We don't have to put in any
Yeah, we don't have to
effort.
make any plans or anything. It's
really
pretty
nice.
sweet. Totally digging it.
Yeah, love it. Next up,
Rainbow Falls.
Rainbow Falls.
Winding down on this tour. Last falls of the day, I think.
We're officially in Hilo now.
Oh yeah, we made it to Hilo.
Yes, we're in Hilo.
Complete opposite side of the island from Kona where we're staying. Ooh, this is sick. I'll wait till we get to a good spot to turn this around. Checking out a huge banyan tree at the top of Rainbow Falls. Looks pretty crazy right here. Hey, we're in Hilo. Sweet banyan tree over there. We're at the farmer's market. Just walking through. There's a lot of good snacks and food and stuff.
Yeah.
A lot of merchandise over there. We're gonna head over there too.
A lot
I
of
got
fresh
like
fruit and
15
veggies.
minutes left, so let's.
So we got some lychee.
So good.
Get a good clip of it. It was another fun-filled, chalk-filled day.
Oh wow.
So we did a lot and saw
Yeah,
a
we
lot.
did a lot. Yeah, we saw some cool stuff. The falls, valley, had a
Black
good
sand.
lunch. Malasadas for lunch.
Yeah.
That's good stuff, man. It was so good.
Yeah, it was all a really good day. Probably gonna just head back now and
Chill for a minute.
yeah, maybe go for a swim and just enjoy the rest of the night, get dinner or something.
Yeah,
So.
definitely.
So if you guys have been liking these videos, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. And on day 1 and day 2 too, that would be awesome. We'd appreciate it, and we will be back with some more.
Yeah. What's up? Day 4 next.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
See ya.